Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to see all the answers in Google Form. It's super easy. So let's get started. Do not tell your teachers about this. Now, here we have our Google Form. And you need to click on any empty spaces. Click on the right button of your mouse and click on Inspect. Now here, we can see all the data. So there will be a select an element in the page at the top left of the selection. So tap on it and click on the question. Now from here, you just need to highlight the choices. Here in Mercury. So you just need to search for true here. Make sure that you are in the label Mercury, data value Mercury roll radio, and check true. So that means that this is the correct answer. Okay, here in Venus, check is false. When you go down to Mercury, the check is true. So that's how you see the answers in Google Form. There's 3 steps. First one is to click the right button on your mouse and go to the inspection, and you need to select the question. And once that's done, you just need to search for true, and it should show you. You need to make sure that you are in the value roll and check. So the Mars is full. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.